Hey guys, welcome back to another new release video. This week we have 4 collections and 2 single sheets that are coming to the shop. There's 2 reformats. The 2 single sheets are reformats, but then there's also 2 collections that are reformats. And then there are 2 brand new kits that have never been in the shop before. So I'm really excited. If you've been following along on my vlogs, you know that I've kind of hit like a creative rut, but I feel like I'm back. So let's just hop into this week's new releases. Okay, so the first thing we have are these adorable pool day stickers, and I know last year some pools were open, some weren't, but I'm hoping that this year we can all just go to the pool and have a great summer if you like the pool anyway. But yeah, so I really love these pool day stickers. I just think they're so cute, and you've got like the pool and you've got a bikini and a little floaty, some flip-flops. It's just perfect for, you know, planning out pool days. Whether you have kids who like to go to the pool or you just like to go chill at the pool, I think these are great. Next up, we have these beach stickers, and again, these are just perfect for those days when you want to go to the beach. I live in North Carolina, so I'm pretty close to the beach. I would say it takes about 2.5 hours from where I'm at to get to the beach, but definitely doable for a beach day. So I will be using these this summer because I definitely want to go to the beach this summer. But I think these are really cute. You've got your little palm trees, you've got a sand bucket, a beach ball, sand castle, and I just think these are so adorable for beach days. Alright, so the first reformatted kit that's coming back to the shop is our Beach Life kit, and I just think this one is so pretty. I love photo kits, and I really loved this one last year, and since we did reformat everything, I figured I would just bring it back in the reformatted version. So yeah, we have it in full, mini, and base. So let's show you the base first. The base, of course, comes with your functional sheet, and then a second sheet that has a couple full boxes, and then just some more functional stickers. So this is perfect if you don't like a lot of decoration in your planner, or you have a smaller planner. This would be perfect for that. All the boxes and everything are still the 1.5, so this is perfect for vertical planners if the columns are 1.5, which I think most planners are. I know there are a couple that are a little bit different, but you know, the majority of ones that people use in the planner community, I believe, are 1.5 in width. So yeah, this is perfect for like if you're using planner inserts, if you just have a smaller planner, or if you just don't want a lot of decoration to your spread, but you want like a little bit, this is perfect for that. Next up, we have our mini kit, which is 4 pages. This is perfect if, again, you don't want a like overwhelming amount of stickers in your spread. You're just more of a no white space planner. This is perfect for you. So we have the full boxes, which are just, they're so pretty, and it just makes me want summer like right now. Again, you have your functional page, which just has a ton of functional stuff. I love this sheet. Then of course you have your date covers, you have some more labels, some habit trackers, some bill dues, some currently reading, just more functional stuff. And then the last page is your washi strips and your glitter headers. So next up we have our full kit, and this is perfect if you are a no white space planner. This is going to be the perfect kit for you. Or if you like to kind of squeeze kits into like 2 weeks, this would probably make it 2 weeks if you wanted to do that. So of course we have just the same full boxes, the functional sheet, the labels, quarter boxes, half boxes. That's what they look like. Some of them are patterned and some of them are just solid colors. Then we have the date covers, the habit trackers, bill due, that sort of thing on this sheet. Next we have the, what are these? Ombre heart checklist. And then you also have this one down here, which is a Monday through Sunday tracker for the sidebar. And then you have this one, which has your washi strips and your bottom washi strips, and then your glitter headers. And then the last page has your headers, little things, and some washi strips down at the bottom. So these are just like little washi strips. Next up is another reformat. My Facebook group said they wanted to see this one come back, so I did change up the full boxes just a little bit, and this is our watermelon collection. Now I'm just going to kind of speed through this because I've already shown you the base kit, mini kit, full kit layout, so we're just going to kind of quickly go through and show you guys what this looks like. So you have your base kit, the mini kit, and the full kit. And that is our watermelon collection. All right, this is a brand new kit to the shop. This is our beach day kit. So the other one was beach life. This one is beach day kit. So I thought this again would be perfect for if you are going to the beach. So we just have the little base kit, the mini kit, which I'm gonna zoom in just a little bit since I'm not really like showing you guys close up. So you have full boxes. And the full kit. And the last one is my absolute favorite that is coming to the shop. And this is our Mother's Day collection. So I love this kit so, so much. I love the colors. I love just the full boxes. I love it all. So let's get into it. So here we have the base kit. The mini kit. I love these full boxes, you guys. They're just so beautiful. And finally, the full kit. Alright guys, so these are all the new releases for this week. I'm going to pop a code in the description box for you guys if you're interested in checking these out and getting a little bit of a discount on them. You can check the discount code in the box. But that is it for this week's new releases. I hope you guys enjoyed them. Let me know if there are any like different themed kits that you want to see come to the shop. Leave them in the comments below. And I will see you guys in a new video coming next week. Bye guys.